Today on Tips, Tricks, and Tweaks, we're going to talk about the thermostat knob on a T1N Sprinter. Many of us have trouble with these. Seem to find that the heat is on there, but as soon as you turn it like that, the heat is off. So, here's how to check your Sprinter and make sure that knob is working correctly. So this is how we have the multimeter stuck in. Any old voltmeter will do. I've got it connected to the wires going to the valve up under the hood. But right now the meter is set up here. And of course with the key off we have no voltage. Well, almost no voltage. I'm going to turn the key on. Right away we get 12 volts. That energizes the solenoid and closes the heat valve. Now, as we can see over here, I've got my valve setting pretty hot. If I turn that all the way to cold, that should stay at 12 volts. Now, as I turn it toward the hot, you heard it click, that should drop, and there it goes. Now, we've got no voltage there, so now the heat is essentially turned on. Yeah, hot water is circulating through the van heater now. Up a little bit. Up there, it started to drop off. It dropped once. It dropped again. Dropped again. All right, now with the engine running, you can really see it drop. That is 80% heat. And the valve is closed most of the time. It just opens once in a while. I run it down to way cold here. Should still open that valve once in a while. There we go. It gave it just a quick squirt of hot water there. It flipped the valve for just an instant and back to cold again. So with it set way down at cold, you get just a little squirt of hot water once in a while. If yours never does that, you've got a problem in your dash controls. Since mine does, I know my problem's not in the dash controls, my problem is the valve under the hood. My heater sticks on, even when it's set all the way to cold. Since we seem to have a problem, we're going to go ahead and replace this whole valve assembly. Yeah, if you can see in there, easiest way to do this, no wrenches needed. This little rubber grommet, just slide forward like that. Now it's out. And there's another one. Where is that guy? Right back here. Probably the same thing. There we go. Just gotta push it backwards. Now, the pump will come out of there. Disconnect some hoses. Put the new one in.